Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's getting it's getting quite cold in here. That's why I'm wearing sweater and all that. So I've been loving this weather. I love cold weather rather than summer. Summer makes it's nice, but then I love winters. I love having hot chocolate, hot momos, and cozying up under the blanket. So I am absolutely loving this weather. So coming back to today's video is going to be a review on the Lotus Eco Stay Kajal. So this is how it looks like. I've been using this for quite some time, and I must say I'm quite impressed with the Lotus products. So I've already reviewed their Lotus Color Kick Kajal, which is a big yay from me. So I have heard a lot of things about the Lotus Eco Stay Kajal, so I thought I'll give it a shot, and I must say I'm quite impressed. So it says the darkest and the safest, and it's 100% vegetarian, 10 hours stay, smudge proof and waterproof. And it says it's got smooth powdery texture, velvety soft texture with excellent color payoff. So it's 10 hours plus stay, smudge proof and waterproof. It also says it's suitable for waterline and contact lenses. It's also free of paraffin, animal oil and preservatives. So this retails for around 325 rupees, and this is how it looks like. So actually it's quite bigger than this. I've used quite a bit of it, that's why the size has come down. This is how it looks like. Coming to the packaging is quite basic. It's got a cap to cover the pencil, which is quite travel friendly. You can just close it and then throw it in your bag. Pencil with silver writings on it. It says Lotus Eco Stay Kajal. So I love anything which has black and silver packaging. It looks quite nice, and it comes in a cap, which is good. So the only down point which I feel is it doesn't have a sharpener, so but that's okay with. And it is not a twist up pencil wherein you twist it up and it comes out. It's actually a pencil wherein you have to sharpen it. So there will be a lot of wastage of products. That's the one down point which I felt. Other than that, this kajal is amazing. So I'll just swatch it for you guys on my hand, how it is. So this is just one swipe of the kajal, and it is amazingly pigmented. It's highly pigmented. It's a beautiful jet black color which looks amazing. So coming to the claims, it says it's smudge proof and waterproof, which I totally agree. I wore it actually for one whole day, and it stayed on my eyes for that amount of time. It says that it stays up to 10 hours, which I will agree. It doesn't go off your eyes unless you take it out with an oil or a makeup remover. So what I like about this kajal is it's highly pigmented. It's actually true to its claim, so it actually stays for that long. It's very long lasting, and it's also smudge proof. So this is how it looks like. So I'm trying to smudge it and it's not smudging at all. So it's actually true to its claims and it doesn't smudge at all, so that's a yay. So I'm gonna show it to you guys how it looks like on my eyes. Since I don't have any eye makeup or kajal on my eyes, I'm gonna show it to you guys how it looks on me. First I'm gonna put it on my waterline and show it to you guys. So you can see how pigmented it is. I've just put 1 or 2 swipes on my waterline and it's quite pigmented. So I'm gonna show wear it on my upper lash line and show it to you how it looks like. So I've applied it both on my waterline as well as upper lash line, and you can see how jet black it is in 1 or 2 swipes. So this is an amazing kajal and I'm totally impressed with Lotus as they come up with such amazing products. So I've been loving their Lotus Color Kick kajals, and this one is also a big yay from me. So if you guys are looking for a very highly pigmented jet black kajal which is quite affordable also, you can go for this. It is a little bit highly priced than the Lotus Color Kick kajal, but it's totally worth it. I would say this is again one of the best kajal that I have ever used. So that is a big statement coming from me. So this product is a big yay from me. So that's it for my review on the Lotus Eco Stay Kajal. See you guys next time. Bye guys.